So this is a quick and really simple video to show you how to fix a sagging dropper post. This is a Syncros 2.0, but I understand it's the same for the Trans X one. So what's happened with this one, it's been sat on a showroom floor for so long that it doesn't extend anymore. So look, you can push it down, and then when you pull the little lever to get it go back up, you can see it's just moving a little bit, but it doesn't want to go back up. So what I've done here to get started is I've removed the seat from the bike. Make sure you keep the bolts nice and safe. And once you take the seat off, right in the top here, there's a little rubber bung, which should just pull off with your fingers. If it doesn't, just try it with a little pick. Just be careful not to scratch things. And once you get inside there, you'll find an average standard Schraeder valve. So if you have a shock pump, I have a shock pump right here. You can just plug it in, pump it up, and you should find that your post returns to normal, does what it should do, and doesn't leave you really disappointed, which is what this one did when I first looked at it. So I'm going to pump this right up. There's a little mark on the back of this one to say it will go up to between 280 and 300 psi maximum. But when I had a bit of a play with it, what I found was if you go up to the maximum, it maybe even extends a little bit too fast. So I'm just going to do this one up to maybe like 240, something like that. So we're at 200 there. 220, 230, almost at 240 now. Okay, so we got that at 240. Let's give it a try. Let's undo the pump. Put the bung back in. Helps keep all the dirt and the mud out. Right, okay, so I'm going to flick the little lever on the bottom, and straight away there you saw it flip, so push it down, push the lever, hey, we have a nice working dropper again. There's a couple of other things you can try, perhaps even try before you do this. That is, make sure that your seat clamp isn't done up too tight. If it is, sometimes it can restrict things. And the other thing is, cables can be really finicky on these, so make sure you've got a good cable, make sure there's no kinks in it, make sure you keep it lubed, that kind of thing. And also, if you can, every now and then when you're servicing the bike, maybe just clean the little mechanism at the bottom of the post down here. Doesn't need too much lube or anything like that, but just keep it clean with some maybe a little light lube. That should keep things working nicely. Hope this helps. Hope you don't spend hours trying to figure out what on earth is wrong with this like I did. And this is, yeah, gets you going again.